Griffith were first asked to put in a tender for Australian Awards Papua New Guinea to develop a graduate certificate in counselling to resolve the lack of skills and resources for counselling mental health, gender-based violence and disability in PNG. We did as much research and consultation as we could to make it culturally relevant. And I think that that's been one of the keys to our success. We haven't done it for PNG, we've done it with PNG. We came up with an idea that these counselling cards would be useful while we were working with the first cohort. The cards cover the basic counselling skills. We drew on all of the knowledge in the room from the participants from PNG.
Those cards have been very useful. I still use them now. We were able to put all the different sequence of the counseling process together, and all the artwork around it was contributed by each of the students, as well as some of the photographs. I contributed affirmation words that were also translated into Tok Pisin.
The cards we used to on-train, so people who would not have the opportunity to come and study with us at Griffith were taught by their peers. We did run 2 graduate certificates, but so many people have contacted us because they've seen our work. The success of each program has led to another, and often with a different partner, a new partner. We've worked with the Australian High Commission, the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade, ChildFund, UNICEF, the National Department of Education from Papua New Guinea. We've now reached thousands and thousands of people in PNG, stemming from the small groups that have come here to study with us and then expanding out and extended to Tonga and the Solomon Islands through PNG. Each program has been quite different from the other, so it's growing. But to see the impact in PNG is absolutely overwhelming. We've had graduates that have ended up the First Assistant Secretary in the National Department of Education, a mental health and psychosocial officer for the Red Cross International, a person who did some work on child incest and ended up getting a facility for young women who had been abused. Wonderful outcomes. The enthusiasm for them to develop their knowledge and skills and then take that back and do something for PNG is one of the most rewarding things.